Hello everyone. Today, continuing part number 4 out of 7. We already know that part number 3 out of 7 is a short video because apparently I just threw 12 bricks in it and I didn't know that it's still recording, so apparently since it's actually getting there, as you can see, the door seal is about to come off and the tub probably stay in the cabinet. And oh yeah, I'm not sure, but I think we'll be going. Let's do the first attempt. We're filling this concrete, going this tight list concrete rate and the tailor-made concrete rate at the same time. See what happens. Yeah, first attempt, just doing it. Woo! But it's a bit of tape ready, you know, so try again. Woo! It's jumping. Okay, here we go. Ballast, a bigger brick, which is a tightness concrete rate. Throw in 3, 2, 1. Looks like the things are using to destroy. Oh. Those are things they're using to destroy. Oh. Maybe the drum's got, maybe it's like a faulty drum or something. Oh. I think. Yeah, very faulty drum. But guess when it falls on the side, it'll probably knock out the top panel. So, yeah, I think, hopefully though, so we can continue 4, 5, and 6, and 7 out of the without the top panel, so it can destroy itself easier. Maybe the okay, so it just okay. Just unplug it. Surprisingly, Callaway washing machines are titanium washing machines usually. But this one actually probably almost stayed in one piece. Except for the drain pump filter. But, it's got a notebook as well, so and so here's what we got so far. It looks like the top panel, it looks like it's been damaged from, usually they're titanium, usually this one's surviving. This one's still putting a tremendous fight though, so looks like this one's about to like break or something. So see you later, bye. And that's it, see you later, bye.